Hey there, fellow money managers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to download your PayPal transaction history. Whether you're tracking expenses, preparing for taxes, or just staying organized, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Head over to the PayPal website or open the app on your phone. Once you're in, make sure you're on the main dashboard. Now, look for the Activity tab. It's usually right at the top. Click on that, and you'll see a list of your recent transactions. Next, to get a full download, click on All Activity or something similar. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to use the filters to narrow down what you need. For example, select a specific date range, like the last 6 months, or filter by transaction type, such as payments received or sent. PayPal makes this straightforward, so take a moment to customize it to your needs. Once your list is set, look for the Download button, often found at the top or bottom of the page. Click it, and you'll be prompted to choose your file format. I recommend going with CSV for easy import into spreadsheets like Excel. It keeps everything neat and analyzable. If you prefer a PDF, that's an option too for a quick overview. After selecting your format, hit Download, and voila! The file will save to your device. Double-check it by opening the file to ensure all your transactions are there. Pro tip: if you notice any discrepancies, reach out to PayPal support right away. And there you have it. That's how you effortlessly download your PayPal transaction history. It's a simple process that can save you heaps of time and hassle. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.